Hello, everyone. My name is Lillian Hubler Tobin, and we are here today to teach you a great training, a great workshop. This is back to basics, positive, preventive, skill building activities using sign language for social and emotional learning. All right, so let's do some of the signs for the classroom environment. So what is your daily routine? Maybe you have a welcome in your routine. Maybe you do an exercise. Maybe you feed them. Maybe they brush their teeth. Maybe T-hand, they go to the bathroom, right? Maybe they have a story time, right? Maybe they have nap time. Maybe they go outside play. Maybe you play dress up, or maybe you have puzzle play. Maybe you have arts and craft, the I hand, arts and craft. M hand, math. Maybe you have a math activity, maybe a counting activity, math. Maybe you have a science activity, science. What else do we do today? Maybe we clean up to go home. So what are we doing today? What are we doing today? So you take your D hands, you put them in front of you, and you bring it in. What are we doing today? This is a Y hand. In sign language, you use your dominant hand. If you're right-handed, use your right. If you're left-handed, use your left. And if you're ambidextrous, pick one. Facial expression, very, very important. Try to sign within a signing window. People have to be able to see what you're doing. This is a D in sign language, another D. Bring it in front of you, bring it in. What are we going to do today? And you can say, look at the clock. Look at the time. What are we going to do today? And then you show them your picture schedule and you talk about your day. And then maybe sign with different activities that you're doing with your children every day. This is a great way for them to understand and keep up with you, and it keeps them very, very organized in the classroom. Now, what are we doing today? It's from our transition music, which we'll talk more about it, but this is in here. But in your Dropbox, along with this training, you do have 5 or 6 songs that are put in there just for this training. So what are we doing today? Look at the clock, look at the time. What are we going to do today? Classroom rules. Why is so important? Children need to know what is happening every day and how to redirect them in a very positive way. So we're not using the word no. We're not saying no. We're saying exactly what we expect to happen. Hands to ourselves, inside voices, walking feet, right? Respecting our friends, following direction, listening ears. And we do it with a smile on our face because kids will be more receptive to doing exactly what you want if you are saying it in a very positive way. So we sing our classroom rules. This is an R in sign, rules. And so if you take a 3 and you put it by your dominant ear and you do it like this, that's the sign for listen. Listening ears. Then you take an A, another A, bring it like this, thumb up, follow. We're following directions. We have hands to ourselves. Inside, take a V, voices. Walking feet. Respecting our friends. So let's sing that together. Classroom rules, classroom rules. A hand every day. This is time for tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Listening ears, following direction, hands to myself. Inside voices, walking feet. Our hand, respecting. Take these two, our friends. So when you see the children talking too loudly, instead of saying, stop talking loudly or anything, you just go, inside voices. If they're touching each other, we go, hands to ourselves. If they're not following the directions that you need them to do, you go, follow direction or focus, right? If they're not listening, you go, listening ears. And what you're going to find is just going to have a very calming, soothing classroom experience. Here's another thing I wanted to add to this. Expectations. We talk about expectations. So what I do is I have 3 expectations every day with my kids. We're going to learn. We're going to be friendly to each other. And we're going to be helpful. So I say we're helpful, we're friendly, and we're going to learn. All right, thank you.